Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling system haptics on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the digital crown to open the App menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down the settings and tap Sounds and Haptics. Scroll to the bottom and tap the toggle to the right of System Haptics to turn the toggle on or off. When the toggle is green, System Haptics are enabled, and when grey, they are turned off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.